welcome back to my channel. This is your big sis, Karina. Is the mic on? This is my first attempt at a capsule wardrobe, so I know there's tons of rules to go by. I went by Karina rule, which is no rule. Fashion popo come get me. I was able to come up with 45 different outfit combos using just these items. We have 4 tops, 4 short bottoms that includes shorts or skirts, 2 long bottoms that includes pants or long maxi skirts, 2 dresses, and 2 button downs. And then adding accessories to the equation, we have 3 pairs of shoes, 3 bags, 2 belts, and 1 pair of sunnies. They're lightweight and they don't take up a lot of room, and they can all fit in your carry-on. I'm gonna start with this bodysuit because oh my god, absolute must for me when it comes to packing less but maximizing the number of outfit combos you can pull from those items are versatility and non-wrinkability. Always here just making up words, you guys already know. Bonus points to this for being non-see-through and extremely soft and comfortable on the body. In case you guys are wondering, every single piece in this video will be linked in the description box down below. If you're watching this video on your phone, here's how you can see every single link, as well as the sizes and the prices. And if you're watching this video on your computer or any desktop device, here is how you'll be able to see every single link. This bodysuit is from ANF, which I thrifted off of ThredUp, who is today's sponsor. Thank you so much to ThredUp for sponsoring this video. You guys already know ThredUp is one of my favoriteest place ever to shop for stuff. They have over 50,000 items, tons of new arrivals daily, and up to 90% off estimated retail price. Honestly, in theory, you can never ever find a bad deal on ThredUp compared to what you're paying in the retail stores out there. Estimated retail price for this is $49 plus tax. I got it on ThredUp for just 20 bucks, which is honestly more than 50% off, and it's in immaculate condition. 95% cotton. The best part that I love about this bodysuit is you don't have to wear a bra with it. Also love the square neck design here. I think it's so flattering for all body types. Honestly, a staple for not just your travel capsule collection, but your normal summer collection as well. Next up, we have a dressier kind of vest top or a waistcoat top. This is from Princess Polly. I absolutely love it. It just gives a more elevated feeling, very timeless, classy, and very quiet luxury slash old money as well. So if you're going to more like classier venues on your vacation, this would go with so many bottoms. Are you even surprised we have a black top? This top is so comfortable. Honestly, I feel like it's even softer and lighter than some of my bras, which is key when you want a packable wardrobe. And the fact that I can just like wrinkle this however I want without worrying about it being wrinkled, it just like saves you so much brain cells when you're trying to get ready on your vacay. This is a little floral top. I think it's so unique. I found this last year on Lulu's and I was so sad because like they sold out immediately after I published my video. Not saying it's all me, but you know, Lulu's, if you're watching this, please bring this back.
A few moments later.
They brought this back! So grab it right now before it sells out again. It's a cream little sheer piece with eyelet, lace designs, and frills all over, and I just love how romantic this is. Personally, I think it's really important to pack something that makes you happy on your trip, despite the fact that your suitcase might be full of neutrals, you know, just so it can mix and match with everything. A key part to going on vacay is making core memories, and if bringing something like this makes you happy, so do it. I don't even care if it's neon purple, girl. You bring whatever makes you happy to unlock that core memory that you're gonna remember for the rest of your life. Moving on to short bottoms, we have a jean shorts or a denim shorts. So this is completely optional. It depends on whether you like being in any kind of denim in the summertime. I have picked a pair that is so soft and comfortable and doesn't even feel like the traditional hard structured type of denim. So picked out this pair of denim from Dynamite. It's my favorite. You can actually roll it up like this to have a cuffed look. So having this little bit of versatility will really help you in terms of coming up with more outfit combos. It's so breathable and it's so lightweight. Also, not to mention that it goes with literally every single top that you own. Another no-brainer, a white short. This one is a very breezy very lightweight short that has belt hoops. I own a lot of shorts that is white in color, and let me tell you when I say that this one is one of my favorites because it is double lined and it has a pleated structure with a hidden clasp at the front, so it's just a little bit more elevated, a little bit more dressier than your traditional white shorts. When you're in it, honestly, it just feels like PJs. You don't feel constricted. If you want to dress this up, just throw in a belt and it looks so sophisticated. Oh, and it also has pockets. Honestly, a trifecta. I got a little black bottom here. This looks like a mini skirt with a slit, but it's actually a mini skirt. I've worn this so many times. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but I guarantee you the cost per wear of you being in this is going to be literally down to nothing. It's really versatile. The amount of tops that you can pair with this is literally insane. You can be in this for daytime, or you can really dress it up for a sexy dinner. Also, super bonus points for being very lightweight and easy to pack. The last shorts that we're gonna have is going to be this grade number that I found off of ThredUp. This is by Zara, and estimated retail for this is over $50 with tax, but I got this for 19 bucks. And again, very clean, excellent condition, no visible flaws. This is a pair of classier shorts, and it also fits a little bit on the longer side. It's very high-waisted, which is great for me because I don't like to show my midriff way too much, especially when I'm on vacation. But it's also easy to wear and pair with a lot of stuff just because of the neutral colors. Crazy bonus points to this for its non-wrinkability. You can just throw it on without thought and it'll instantly look effortless and put together. Moving on to long bottoms. I only have two here. So I have a pair of cream linen pants. They are so lightweight, they're so breathable when you have them on, and they feel very cooling on the skin, which is exactly what you want on a hot summer day. Most linen pants I found are skewing more on the casual side, so you'll have the linen pants with the drawstrings, but then these ones are actually more dressier linen pants, which is something that I haven't actually found until now. They're equally as soft, equally as breathable. I love the length and the flow. Also a huge fan of how they have belt hoops, and they have the option for you to just stick a belt through and make it more classier. And then of course we gotta have a maxi white skirt. So this one I got from Tiger Mist and I absolutely love it. It's double lined. This one has a elastic waistband and a drawstring closure. I love the versatility of this. Ladies, this is also great on days where you don't want to be like spray tanning your legs or shaving them, or if you just want to have a more modest moment. And of course we can't forget about our button-ups. So over here I have a basic white button-up and a striped blue one. It's a very classic cotton button-up from Ralph Lauren, which I also thrifted off of ThredUp. The original estimated retail price for this is over $100 plus tax, and I got it for just $35. I think it is such a steal. Again, perfect condition. Went to a size 14 for this because I do find that they run quite small. Easy to just throw on, especially on days where you're rushing out, you're running late, and you don't have time to be wearing sunscreen all over your top and your arms and your neck. This is going to be your go-to. It also doubles as a top once you button this up, so it really doubles that wearability and the outfit combinations. So I just checked and ThredUp does have a lot more of these guys on their website. What you need to do is just filter it by your size and the color options. I'm also going to favorite a couple for you guys, so make sure to check the link in the description box down below for my personal link so you guys can just shop what I picked out for you. You guys can get another 35% off your first ThredUp purchase using my code Karina right here, and make sure to check the link in the bio because that link is going to take you straight to my page on ThredUp where I've already picked out my favorites for you guys and my discount code is already applied. Unlike the cotton white button-up from earlier, this is more of a sheer, breezy, breathable type of fabric, so you can really be throwing this everywhere. You don't need to worry if this gets wrinkled at all. Again, I went up a couple sizes for this one to have that oversized fit so I can throw it on, and I can also have the versatility of buttoning it up and wear as a top. And then I have two dresses. So of course, have a little LWD moment, except it's more of like a LWR because these are shorts. The last thing you want on vacay is the wind picking up your skirt or your dress and everyone having a free show. This is double lined. The shoulder straps are very versatile, so you can tie them however high or however low you want. Whenever I go on vacay, this is always the first thing I reach for because I just find that I don't have enough brain juice in the morning when I'm getting ready to put together a top and a bottom. All the work is done for me. You just need to throw on one piece and then you're good to go. However, if you want to spice up this romper, there's also a couple of options that I will show you here. You want to get really creative with the pieces that you have on your trip. Are you guys surprised yet? A black dress. I would say it classifies more on the midi side. This little black dress is from Wilfred, and if you're wondering why the tag is still on, it's because I got it from ThredUp and it's still brand new with tags. It says $138 here. I want you guys to pause this video and guess how much I got this for. So I got it for $27. I would say that's like 85% off? 90? 92, 89. Given the fact that it's still brand new with tags, this is something that you'll never see in your local thrift store because believe me, I've been to mine a lot and I never see deals like this. It's only on ThredUp where you're able to search it by the brand that you want. Very basic yet classy little black dress that will take your outfit from basic to elevated. Obviously, you can wear it on its own, but I find that adding accessories will really help spice up this dress. Just when you thought that's it with this dress, the best part is that it can be converted into a skirt by folding the strap parts inwards, and you can even top it off with a belt. And again, you don't have to turn it into a skirt. It's the option. It's just there for you to have, especially when you're traveling with such a limited amount of clothing items. Now moving on to shoes and accessories, keeping it super simple, we're gonna have a pair of shoes that you're gonna walk around everywhere in. When I got the Sambas, I think a year and a half ago, when I'm in it, I don't wanna take it off. It is so freaking comfortable, and it doesn't look like it's going to be comfortable because the sole is so thin, but I just find myself reaching for it every single time I have to go somewhere far because I know I'm gonna get the peace of mind. It's very easy and comfortable to walk in. Plus, it's super trendy. And I know vacations are not all built the same, so in case you guys are going somewhere where you will be in more classier formal occasions, then sandals are the way to go. A black one and a tan one. What I suggest is sandals with block heels that are not too high, so you can actually walk in them and not just like have them on for a second for an Instagram photo and then you'll have to like have blisters for the rest of the night. These look disgusting on the bottom because I have actually worn them out in real life. I bring these with me on my personal vacations because they're so easy to walk in. Sometimes when the weather gets too hot and I don't want to be bundled up in socks and a running shoe, I go for these. I only have 3 bags that I'm going to be bringing. So this one is going to be your airport or your flight bag. This can carry so much stuff. I'm not even kidding. And I love the fact that it has an internal pocket. So this is where I put like IDs, my passport, and everything else that I don't want to be losing. Plus the color would go really well with these color schemes. And then a classic little black bag that you can bring with you on more dressier occasions. This is also something that I packed personally on my trip to New York last year to see Blackpink, and it surprisingly holds a lot of stuff despite it looking like it doesn't. Another good part about this is that it's very structured, so I just like throw it into my carry-on and I don't have to worry about it being wrinkled or anything. Last but not least, we need to have a straw bag. Also got this off of ThredUp, I think for the ridiculous price of like $15 or something like that. A no-brainer for those of you going onto beach settings. But I find like even if you're not going on a beach trip, this is also really good for a city landscape kind of sightseeing trip, just because it holds so much and it's so lightweight. You can literally be throwing your entire life's belongings on here. You really don't have to be careful with it when you're not using it. Just wrinkle it up and toss it anywhere you want. 2 belts. This belt from Celine, that is a black belt, and this skinny belt from, where is this from? I think I thrifted this, but I'm sure you can find something equally basic and neutral on ThredUp. And of course, last but not least, we need ourselves our little sunglasses, not just to hide your sadness, but also to hide from the sun. I think in every single video so far on YouTube after purchasing these, I have worn these, and it's just so versatile. It's black, it's neutral, it's very simple. It gives a very timeless, elegant look to all of your outfits. So if you're on the fence about getting these, you definitely should take this as a sign. I think my cost per wear with these is down to like 1 cent. If you're not traveling this summer or you have no plans yet, every single piece in this video is also great as a summer essential in your closet. Also, don't forget to check out ThredUp. They have awesome savings, and honestly, you guys can get another 35% off your first purchase on ThredUp, so why freaking not? The link is in my bio, and use my code Karina for 35% off and free shipping. Oh, I know I give you guys a little sneak peek when I'm talking about the items from earlier, but here is the full 45 outfits that we can create with this capsule travel wardrobe.
Ooh, hey, hey, it's getting late, can I explain something to you? You used to touch me in ways, got me so confused, yeah. So unavailable, undateable, it's true. I'm talking about me, babe, no, this ain't all about you, hey. And the other night, I'm feeling right. I think you want me, and I know just what you like, yeah. And the other night, I'm feeling right. Don't know what thinking, 'cause I know just what you like.
Let me know which outfit's your favorite, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to check. Don't forget to do that.